Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me Nabi. In today's video, I'm going to be making one of the most popular and the most loved dish. Yes, I'm talking about Momo. I got my hands on these Chayote Squashes and they were pretty cheap, so I got quite a lot of them. A few kgs are lying in the refrigerator. I remember my days back at home where I could just pluck them straight from Mom's kitchen garden. The ingredients required to make this dish are all-purpose flour, water, chayote squash, onions, butter, salt to taste. Let's make the dough first. Add a little bit of salt. Slowly add in the water and knead it into dough. Allow the dough to rest for a while and cover it with a cling film or muslin cloth so as to avoid drying out. Peel the chayote squash and slice them. Use a grater to grate the chayote squash. Chayote squash is one of those vegetables that is suitable to make momos with. Trust me, for the vegetarians out there, you will love it. It's a lot better than momos made out of cabbage. And for all the carnivores like me, you can use this along with minced pork or chicken. Meanwhile, let's chop the onions. Squeeze out all the excess water from the chayote squash. So now let's go ahead and make the filling. Add the onions. Season it with salt. Then add the butter. Instead of butter, you can use cooking oil, but it goes really well with butter. Give it a good mix. You can even use your hands. Taste the filling and see if you have seasoned it well. Our filling is ready. Now let's roll out the dough and make our dumplings. I really suck at folding momos. I really do. I think I have really thick fingers and I really envy those of you who can fold them so beautifully. But I assure you that the momos are going to be absolutely delicious. Before you place the momos into the steamer, make sure that you base the base of the steamer with oil so that it does not stick after it has been steamed. So let's place the momos. I'm making use of the bamboo steamer. You can make use of any steamer that you have. You can even make use of the idli steamer. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes for the dumplings to be ready. And voila, by the magic of television, my dumplings are ready. You can serve them hot with a hot chili oil or some chili sauce. I learned this recipe from a nephew of mine, and he's an amazing cook, and because I loved it so much, I thought I'd share this recipe with you guys. And also, if you guys have any recipes that you'd like to share, please feel free to drop in an email at eatyourkappa@gmail.com or message me on Instagram. And I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast and interesting things from the Northeast. Sorry, I fumble sometimes. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. I'll see you then. Take care and stay safe, stay indoors, and keep experimenting with a lot of things. Also follow me on Instagram. Right now, I'm talking too much.